Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to fix your ABS should it not be working correctly. In my case I had a problem where the car would just turn on the ABS pump all the time and it would just be rattling constantly. That's why I have ordered some parts from Japan, which we will put into the system now. So the problem I would have is that this pump would just be running constantly, and the only thing I could do then to switch it off is to open this box where the fuses are and take out this fuse. Yeah, it's this one. That's for the ABS, as you can see here. And then it would stop, and that told me that the problem must be within the relay that's in here. Now here you can see two relays, and if you take these out it will stop running. Now the problem with these is that sometimes they get stuck, and that's why I decided to simply replace them.
To understand why and how a relay can get stuck, it is important to understand the inner mechanics of a relay, or rather relay, since I decided to call it that in this video. Within the small black box is an electromagnetic switch. An electric signal activates the electromagnet and closes the circuit. This leads to the relay feeding electricity to whatever it is supposed to feed electricity to. In our case, the ABS motor. As you can see, within the relay there is an armature attached to a spring, which is responsible for opening the circuit once the activating signal is cut off. In my case, or rather the case of the ABS pump in my Silvia, the problem is that with age these movable components do wear out, which can cause the relay to get stuck in the closed position. When I originally had problems with the ABS pump running constantly, the problem was solved by simply hitting the relay on the ground. This told me that the problem must be the relay getting stuck.
I ordered them from Panasonic in Japan, but the package actually arrived from America. I don't know.
In this picture you can see the writing on the original relay. Typing these numbers into a Google search helped me find the correct part right away. I'm sure the numbers have meaning, I just have no idea which.
As you can see, this is the new one, and they look about the same. So we can just put this in here. And this one as well. And now the problem should be fixed. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video, and I will see you in the next one.